Hello, thanks for joining me again for today's edition of Wednesdays at Lorts. I'm Michelle Lorts, and I'd like to talk to you a little about one of our strengths. While we believe that we do many things well, one of the things that we're most proud of is that we're known industry-wide as the leader in wood finishes. Invariably, we hear stories of designers, builders, or specifiers requesting one of our finishes from other manufacturers. The issue with most of these requests is that our finishes are not easily replicated. Our artisans and craftsmen follow a very detailed regimen in order to create our fabulous finishes. It's not an easy task, but it's well worth the effort. Our highly skilled team takes pride in what they do. Creating something that sets our product apart from the rest is in our DNA. The depth of our wood finishes, the variety of choice, the tried and true skill, deeply evident in what we do, all come together when you choose an item from our catalog or create a custom piece with us. Our finishes enable you to use your skill as a designer to build something truly unique and perfect for your customer. Depending on the tone you choose, the distress and sheen level, you can create an all-new item perfect for your space. We have a wide variety of pieces that, when paired with our different finishes, look completely reimagined. Our 8831 sideboard, with its textured doors, can look mid-century or perfect for a country cottage. Our 869 ottoman can look sleek and sophisticated as well as textured and comfortable. Our 4309 chest can be painted and playful or deeply textured and moody. Thankfully, our website includes photos of our items in several different finish and texture options to help you decide what direction is best for you. So as you can see, Lorts finishes are not only one of our strengths, they're one of our secret weapons of design that can help you create something truly innovative and help your creativity shine. Thank you for joining me today. Hope to see you again next time as we try to help bring your creativity to life.